Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, October the 3rd. Stock streak continues streaking here, up again yesterday. Two new records in the Dow and in the S&P, new all-time record highs there. Up 1/3% in the S&P, up 2/3% in the Dow, leading the way there, totaling now 14% year to date. The NDX not quite, got within 8 points of that top. Remember, we have a key reversal from September 18th where we made new all-time highs, had a lower close and then a lower weekly close. To avoid that, we've got to get back up to 60.18. Like I said, it got close yesterday, but not quite there. Tech 100 is up 23% year to date. The big mover was the dollar. 6-week highs yesterday above the 93.50 level. So that gave the commodities a whack back down a bit. We had crude down to the $50 support before a bounce. That's very important psychologically. We talked about it as resistance up above before for the longest period of time, but now it's held above that $50 level now since September 19th. Crude was down $1. Let's watch that on a weekly basis. And gold continued to slide, 1276 down 9. The low of the session yesterday was 1272. So we're working on almost $100 off the top. 1362 was the top just September 8th. So in a couple of weeks, we've seen a straight down move in gold because of that dollar strength. So where do we stand here on Tuesday morning? Well, right now stock indexes are trying to continue this streak. If we could have a positive S&P day, that would be the 6th consecutive session, the longest streak since September the 1st. Right now I've got the S&P up 2 points, the NASDAQ up 8 points, and the Dow up 30 here in the early go. Looking at the Dow, we're at 22,500 or so right now. The upside objective is 22,800 from the wedge we saw a couple weeks back, so we're nearing in on that. And looking at the NDX, we talked about the NDX has to get to 60.18. Right now we are at 59.90, still about 30 points away from voiding that key reversal top that we had in place there. Update on crude. Crude oil's down 30 cents at 50.25. Keep an eye on that 50. 53 up above. That was the high last Thursday, was 52.90. Gave up those gains and now come back down to support. And gold, some new relative lows there. Got as low as 1271. Right now we're at 1273. Down $3, continues to slide. Keep an eye on the VIX. We've made all-time highs over and over again in the S&P, but not new lows in the VIX. The VIX right now is at 935, the lowest level since July 27th, so that's more than 2 months ago. The extreme low is at 885. So the way I look at it here, more downside in the VIX, more upside in stocks. So to summarize, with about an hour to go before the cash stock market open, right now I got the stock index futures higher, up 2 in the S&P, up 8 in the NASDAQ, and up 30 in the Dow. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.